My name is Adeleke Oluwaseun Jacob. To talk about the use of generative artificial intelligence in telecommunication, Vodafone and the SuperTOBi AI chatbots as a case study. This module is an essential of artificial intelligence in business and digital management from the University of Hertfordshire. These are the list of the group member. Adeleke Oluwaseun Jacob Bisola, Ayade Damilola Okusolubo, Edna Priscilla, and Goodness Oluremi. The content we are talking about is the overview of the business problem, description of the AI or digital tools used, analysis of its impact on performance, innovation, or decision making, considerations of ethical, legal, or societal implication, evidence of structured thinking, insight, and collaborations, and the group reflections on key learning, insight gained about AI in business and digital management, ethical or practical challenges encountered, reflections on team collaborations, and how challenges were addressed. Yeah, the next slide, the overview of the business problem. One of the biggest global telecommunication providers, Vodafone, face some challenges, and because the number of customers keep on increasing, so definitely this is directly proportional to the increased customer service challenges they were facing, and pressure due to increase in support volumes, diverse customer need across multiple markets, and the need to reduce operational costs by all means is needed, because one of the primary aim of the business is to gain is profits, so and to satisfy the customers. Traditional customer service operations struggle with high frequency repetitive inquiries, which limited scalabilities and reduce operational efficiencies. Chatbox, SuperTOBi chatbox was introduced in 2023 to help solve the problem, because the chatbox originally used cannot 100% cannot efficiently solve the problem. So there's a need for an improvement on the chatbots being used. That is why they have SuperTOBi chatbox. That's why the company need a scalable digital solution to handle routine efficiently, to support tasks automatically, and improve service responsiveness.
Hello everyone. I'll be talking about the description of the AI or the digital tools that is used. Okay, in solving the organizational problem, Vodafone implemented SuperTOBi. Before they are on ordinary to buy, but now they've implemented an increase in the next generation, that's last year 2024, to Super to buy. Its next generation creative AI, that's the mutual assistance powered by the Microsoft Accurate open and AI technology built using the natural language processing and machine learning, that represent the significant advancement beyond the ordinary to buy chatbot that they are using before to the super to buy that are now using the Vodafone. As you can see in the differences between the to buy and the super to buy market expansion. In the ordinary to buy they're using before, they have like more countries, like more than 13 countries than they use. But in this super to buy, there's a new initiative of the AI into it. They have increased from many countries now, but they are still growing. They roll across Europe, beginning with the Italy, Portugal, and expanding to Japan, Turkey, and additional markets later in the year. That's as at last year Vodafone, but they are still extending and they are increasing every time. Also, these AI tools is operated on the Vodafone website. That means we have the mobile app and we have other digital channels that we can use to get the super to buy. And this provide automated support for billings, for SIM activation, for troubleshooting, for plan challenges, for plan changes, for generate account management and etc. The upgraded system is now rolling and is moving fast on an AI generated, is moving on a right fast now, and is increasing. That means that's why we have on the charts, we have the to buy and the super to buy market expansion, which is actually increasing, and it's always good for us. Thank you.
Hi, good morning. My name is Ayade Bisola. So, on behalf of my group presentation, I'm presenting on the analysis of its impact on performance, innovation, or decision making in accordance with Vodafone, because we are actually talking on Vodafone, like Vodafone telecommunication. So, now I'll talk about the introduction of SuperTOBi brings about majorly. So one, I have the increase in operational performance and service customers experience rather. Now in Portugal, first time resolution increased from 15 percentage to 60 percentage, while online net promoters scores improved by 14 points. So, reaching 64 considered a strong benchmark in digital service delivery, according to Vodafone 2024. So, secondly, it enabled human agents to focus on more complex cases while improving productivity and service quality. Thirdly, Vodafone has implemented additional generative AI solutions to strengthen its service ecosystem using Super Agent and Super Search. And lastly, according to Gartner 2022, yeah, data generated by Super TOBI interactions also supported evidence based decision making, enabling the company to identify service bottlenecks and opportunities for product improvement. So, these are my impact, like the impact we have on the performance, the innovation, and decision making according to Vodafone Telecommunication. Thank you.
So, I'm here to talk about the consideration of ethical, legal, or societal implication. First of all, transparency, fairness, and accountability remain essential to maintaining customer trust and promoting responsible digital transformation. Secondly, Vodafone ensured compliance with GDPR regulation by strengthening data protection and customer privacy protocol, which is very essential. Lastly, the societal concerns emerged relating to potential job displacement among call centers employees, promoting Vodafone to explore reskilling initiatives and ethical workforce transitioning to other strategies.
My name is Goodness Oluremi Aribe Osula. Evidence of structural thinking, insight, and collaboration. The implementation of SuperTOBi followed a structured and foresight rollout strategy, which include cross-financial collaboration. It develops data scientists, customer service teams, legal and compliance units, and external AI vendor, etc. all worked together for the goal of ensure alignment with business and regulatory requirements. Pilot testing enabled interactive improvements based on user feedback. showcasing systematic planning, innovation, and collaborative problem solving.
So, on the group reflection on key learning, the effectiveness of Gen AI deployment require alignment with core business needs and service goals. Also, digital transformation require continuous reskilling and adaptation. And lastly, ethical and strong governance frameworks are very essential and critical. Thank you.
Hello, this is Bisola Hayade. So I'm here to talk about the insights gained about AI, artificial intelligence, in business and digital management. So I have three valid points to talk about. One, I have generative AI can deliver hyper personalized, scalable customer experience. Yeah, because that's a very valid point. Talking about generative AI and talking about artificial intelligence in business and digital management. Secondly, I have improved operational efficiency. And thirdly, we have support data driven decisions through real time data insights. So these are my points to support my insights gained about AI in business and digital management. So thank you.
All right. The ethical and practical challenges encountered. There are the challenges that Vodafone encountered. Those are the privacy management, the data security, the integration complexity. That's what those are the challenges that the Vodafone encounter. Another one is they ensured responsibility automation consistency with GDPR and ethical AI principles, and all these can be seen in European Union, that's in 2028, the PwC in 2020.
The reflection on team collaboration and how challenges were addressed. There are essential skills that is needed in resolving technical, legal, and operational challenges. Some of those essential skills needed are clear communications. The second one is shared responsibilities. And the third one is cross-department collaboration with Microsoft Azure's Open AI experts.
So, in conclusion, the use of generative AI in telecommunication, Vodafone, and the SuperTOBi AI chatbot provide valuable lessons on the practical of digital transformation and the importance of balancing innovation with responsibilities. Generative AI transform customer service in the telecommunication sector by increasing efficiency, reducing operational costs, and improving customer satisfaction. The source depends on the strategic planning, ethical governance, and collaboration across technical and business teams.
Also, we are going to talk about the references. We have many references from 2020, the AI and consumer experience. We have in 2021, we have in 2018, 2022. We also have the Microsoft Word, and we have all the references which is used. Thank you.